Herkese arkadaşlar, ben Demiş ve bugün sizlerle böyle arkadaşlar slime'la falan yıkanan adamlar.
What's up? Today we're gonna fill this bathtub with green slime.
Abone olmayı unutmayın.
Let's do this!
Okay, we're gonna need some borax, a lot of borax, food coloring, lots of food coloring, glue, 51 gallons of glue, and a giant fork to mix it with. Now we're gonna have to pour all the glue into the bathtub. This process took me 1 hour to dump 51 gallons of glue in here. But anyways, after that you gotta put your food coloring. Oh hello, look at how cool this looks like. Dude, this is starting to look like slime. Once it's light green like this, just add some water to dilute the glue and add some borax to make the glue a little more slime-like. Look at all this borax. Wow. Just mix it up and it should look a little bit more stickier, slimier like this.
And there you have it. This is what you get when you put 50 of glue, some food coloring, and some borax. You get
Biraz ses kısam ya, çok geliyor.
Oh yeah. Whoa, this feels so.
Başta ses çok gelmiş olabilir, özür dilerim arkadaşlar.
Whoa.
Hey,
I'm like a swamp monster. Alright, here we go. Going in. Oh, it is so cold.
Mega slime.
This is the slime bath challenge.
Çarpıldı adam.
Oh, it's so sticky. Whoa.
Bath of my life.
Like a swamp
Slime
monster.
challenge.
Oh, whoa, this is like the weirdest bubble bath I've ever had in my life. Oh, I can't see. I don't want to open my eyes because it's slime.
Abi,
Yeah.
slime
A
master.
few moments
Yeşilden oldu
later.
adam.
Alright, it's been 2 hours.
Evet, bundan sonra sıkıcı da hemen. Bir de bu yılanla yıkanmıştı sanırım.
What's up? Today I'm gonna fill my bathtub with
Abi,
Snakes.
ben de izleyeyim arkadaşlar.
Why am I doing this? So I'm joined here with my friends Brian and Jay. You're gonna make sure I don't die because there's
Arkadaşlar ben böyle sana cesaret edemem.
Check their channels out. This is Brian, Snake Bites TV, or his vlog channel, Brian Barcheck. And this is Jay, check him out, Prehistoric Pets TV. You guys ready? Hey, let's do this. You're about to get Here we go. Let's do this. Wait, Jay, you're out.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, don't worry. Hasn't been anybody all day.
Bu arada videonun kalitesi kaçtı. Hiç ellemeyelim şimdi.
Oh gosh.
Abi arkadaşlar ben bunu öleceğimi sen bilmedim.
Oh, Jesus!
Adam
Okay.
gitti.
Alright, I think I'm alright.
Oy, bir yılan
Okay,
büyüktü
here we
sanırım.
go. Last one.
You guys, I'm gonna be okay, right? Oh yeah, you'll be fine. Oh
Oh,
gosh!
hey, you know what? I'm going to the bathroom. I'll
En
be right
büyük.
back.
Bunlar
Guys.
küçük aslında. Ben bunlara bile yandım.
There's actually a variety of boas right here.
Boas, these
Yep.
are varieties of boas. Right here in my
Küçükler.
bathtub. I don't know.
Yani küçük de küçük değiller ama.
You did good for a person that's not around snakes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Kuşlar da biraz büyüktü
I'm just trying
arkadaşlar.
to pretend they're like giant Twizzlers. No!
Nice boa scarf.
Oh gosh.
Just as long as they don't flick their
Bence
tongue
bunlar bir
real
şey yapmaz ya,
fast, you're
çünkü
okay.
abi bu ne?
Britney Spears, what you got on this,
Bu
huh?
daha büyük çıktı.
Oh, this one's on my foot. I'm just scared they'll go in like.
Bu hepsinden büyük çıktı şu anda.
Oh!
Alright, is that it?
Oh, we
Bu
got...
sarı da bayağı
Yeah,
büyük.
I
you
think
know
we
what?
got...
Hang on one second. I think we
got
have
something.
one more thing for you.
Man, I'm pretty sure. I'll be right back.
Oh, I feel his tongue like it's doing that thing. You know that thing? It goes like.
Daha
it's
büyüğü mü
right
gelecek,
through my
neydi
legs. It goes, oh,
arkadaşlar?
it tickles.
Sanırım daha büyüğünü getiriyoruz. Bir tane
Hey,
daha
hey
büyük.
buddies.
Oh, hey, by the
İnşallah
way,
yanlış
Roy,
anlamamışım.
how about these guys?
What? This is huge. This is
Bir tane daha varmış.
Hey, this one hasn't been. This
Ne
one's
zaman
brand
bakayım?
new. I just got him
Ha,
last
bak
night. I hope
getirdi.
he's mellow.
Abi. Lan bu bir insan boyundan büyük.
There's so many snakes.
Aha.
These ones are huge.
Arkadaşlar ben saate okuyalım biz şimdiden. Bu arada arkadaşlar videoyu durdurup bir şey söyleyeceğim hemen. Arkadaşlar bildiğiniz gibi şehitlerimiz var yine. Onlara buradan da Ben sağlık diliyorum Allah rahmet etsin. Yani bizim için canlı
These are heavy.
vermekler.
Roy, what do you think, man?
Yeah.
Snake lumber now?
Terörle
I
anlatıyoruz
mean,
arkadaşlar.
so far,
Şimdi
yeah,
bir şey
I'm
de demek
fine because they
istemiyorum.
haven't bit me yet. So I'm good. Yeah, guys, don't try this at home. Don't go to the pet store and get a whole bunch of snakes because you saw me doing this. I'm doing this because I have my.
So you get
Pretty happy over there.
Biraz ilerletelim ya.
I'm not. Is this okay? Because this is really getting
Oh
tight in my
yeah.
neck.
hang on.
Oh, yeah.
Öldü adam. Kaç dakika olmuş? 5 dakika. Evet arkadaşlar bu kadar. Neyse arkadaşlar. Daha çok böyle videolar gelmesi istiyorsanız lütfen videoya like atmayı unutmayın. Ve kanalıma hala abone değilseniz abone olmayı da unutmayın. Kendinize iyi bakın. Hoşçakalın.